Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, August 30th, which means that this will be our last video before two things happen. The first thing is that the end of the row by row experience is tomorrow. So if you liked our Year of the Fox row, tomorrow is the last time you'll be able to get a free pattern in the store. And then starting on Sunday, the patterns will be available in the store and online for $4 a piece. So if you want to get in on one more free pattern, you got to come see us before the end of the day tomorrow. And then the next day, Sunday the 1st, the All Carolina Shop Hop begins. This is a shop hop that covers North and South Carolina. I think there are, 63 participating shops, and you have 2 full months to hit as many shops as you can. When you visit the shops, you'll get a sticker, and then you put the sticker on the corresponding shop. And when you get a whole section filled, that enters you into tons of drawings. So it's a really fun event. We have lots of fun things planned. 3 specials specifically for hoppers that I will be telling you about on Monday. But just so you know, we will be open Sunday 1 to 5 and Monday 10 to 5. So all of our hours stay the same throughout the holiday weekend. We would love to see you for the shop hop or for row by row, or just because you might want to pet some fabric. So that's the things that are coming up. And the other big thing that's coming up, and you're going to be so surprised that we're already doing this, is our next handmade market is October the 12th. And because we have 31 vendors this time, we have 31 business days until October 12th. So we're going to start previewing our handmade market vendors. So right here, I have jewelry from Denise Moscow. You know what? I'm going to toss them on here so we can see them better. So Denise Moscow is the artist behind Humble Hands Jewelry. She enjoys using a variety of materials in her pieces and creates her own sterling components. So this piece is a bracelet with a pewter owl toggle clasp with black jasper stones. This piece is a bracelet with brown and cream glass beads and a silver pewter bee charm. Look at that little tiny bee. And then we have earrings here. Handmade sterling with tiny blue opal and beige jasper beads on non-allergenic ear wires. And then this is a really fun necklace with a handmade wooden pendant, ceramic and glass beads on a really soft leather cord. And then this is her gorgeous giveaway, which all of us in the shop already want. This is a bracelet with seed beads and glass button closure on leather, and it measures 7.5 inches. It's really soft and pliable. I'm definitely going to be shopping with Denise, as I always do. This is a bracelet from her. My earrings are from her. I have several pieces from her. And this isn't the last time you'll hear me say this, but my husband always says that I choose vendors so that I can have my own shopping experience, which isn't entirely wrong. But Denise is a great vendor. And in order to be entered into the giveaway for this gorgeous bracelet, all you have to do is comment where you see this video, either Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or all 3, and we'll be drawing winners throughout our time between now and the handmade market, and we'll be announcing the winners on our noon videos. So if you'd like this bracelet or some of the other things that Denise makes, go ahead and comment and tell us why you love it. Now in fabric today, let me flip my pages over. We've got the Batty Mantle Scarf Kit. Bring a bit of the spooky season to your mantle with the Mantle Scarf Kit from Wyndham Fabrics. The kit includes the pattern, fabric for the top and backing, and laser cut fusible bats. Look how fun those are. The fusible interfacing is not included, but the bats are already laser cut for you. And the bats make up the edge of the table runner or the mantle scarf. So I just think it's so fun the way the edging works. And I thought these would be fun to have in the shop. So we do have a limited number of those. And then in fabric, we have Sable Swan. Smart and dapper, yet graceful and charming, that perfectly describes the latest collection by Kathy Holden. In a rich combination of porcelain and ebony, individual designs include a typographic alphabet, hand-drawn numbers, and more. We've got do-it-yourself crossword. That'd be kind of fun. Just fill it in with things that fit, right? That piece is really nice too. So a lot of things to share with you. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I hope we see you in some form or another, either in the shop or online commenting, or whatever way you'd like to support us, we would love. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.